Hey guys, I wanted to walk you through a little bit of today's IXL so you know how to do it, okay? So you're going to be dealing with a couple things on this IXL, mainly discount when something's on sale and tax when you need to add that extra percentage on to the price and see how much it's going to cost. So we did both of these on Friday on the video that we made in class, and I'm going to go over them again now. So this says that the sale is 75% off. And she wants to buy pairs. The original price is 80 cents. Hold on. So what is the sale price? So the first thing you're going to do when something is a percentage off is you're going to subtract it from 100. Because I want to figure out how much am I going to pay for this. So 100 minus 75 is 25. Then you're going to move that decimal 2 places to the left and multiply it by the price of the product. So that means I'm going to do times 0.25. So 80 cents times 25%. And so we're talking about money. So 0.2 or 0.2 you're going to want to add that extra 0 on because we're talking about money. And it means 20 cents. Remember, you have to have 2 places for your change when you're dealing with money. So the sale price of these pairs is going to be 20 cents. All right, so here's another one. We got 70% off. And what is the sale price of the dollhouse that's originally $64? So again, we're going to do 100 minus 70 because that's going to tell me how much of that price, that $64, I'm going to have to pay. So that's 30. Move the decimal point 2 places to the left, and I'm going to multiply this by 0.30. So 64 times 0.30, 19.2. So again, I don't know why my screen keeps disappearing. Again, we can't just have one place for our change when we're dealing with money, so I'm going to have to add that 0 on the end. Okay, so $19.20 is how much that, I forget what it was, dollhouse will cost. All right. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead and find some of the other types of problems. Okay, so now it says a store pays $46 for a desk chair and marks the price up by 20%. So when I have this problem, the first thing I'm going to do is move the decimal point 2 places to the left again, because when I multiply, sorry, I'm on the wrong screen. When I multiply by a percentage, I've got to move that decimal point 2 places to the left. And then I'm going to add that 1 in front. Remember when I did that in class last week? So I'm going to multiply by 1.20, and that's going to give me the total cost with the 20% markup. So let's do that. I think it was $46. 55.20. Yeah, 55.20 is how much it's going to cost with that 20% markup. So 55. Okay, so now I have another discount, 50% off. So 50% off of a bag of trail mix, and the original price was $2.74. So again, we're just going to move that decimal point 2 places and multiply. This is when we're doing discount, and I did not subtract from 100 because I already know that 100 minus 50 is still 50. That's why I didn't do that step this time. But this is the one where you subtract from 100 first, then move the decimal place, then multiply. All right? So 274 times 50% is $1.37. So 137. Okay. All right, I'm going to skip this one and find another example of tax or markup. Okay, so on this one, it says the golf clubs are $326.30. If the sales tax is 10%, what will the total cost be including tax? So again, this is like a markup or when they're adding tax on. So what we're going to do is move that decimal point 2 places and then rewrite it with a 1 in front. Always a 1 in the front, okay? Because that's going to give you exactly the price that you're going to pay. So let's do 326.30 times 1.10. 358.93. Okay. All right, and today you only have to go to 45, so that should cover it. And email me if you have any more questions, but watch the video again if you start making mistakes on IXL. You're doing 2 things. When it's a percentage off, you're subtracting from 100, moving the decimal point, and multiplying. When it's a tax or a markup, you're moving the decimal point 2 places and putting a 1 in front and multiplying, okay? And I will see you next time.